Use a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. And pull the wheel off. Remove this top bolt, use a 24mm socket, take the nut off. Now take a hammer and just tap it out. Now take this bolt, this washer is going to go right there. So slide the bolt through. And there's a little tab right there. So slide that through there, just like that. Now put the nut on the outside. Watch out for that wheel speed sensor wire. You can take a 18mm wrench on this side. Take a 21mm socket. Snug this up first. And then torque this nut to 100 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. And put the lug nuts on. Now torque the lug nuts in a cross pattern to 140 foot-pounds. And just go around again, double check.